Let's be frank, snoring like a train is no joking matter. You may have obstructive sleep apnea, which affects 1 in 2 of us guys, although most of us have no idea. With sleep apnea, your airways block off during sleep, starving you of oxygen. You may be sleepy, but even if you're not, you could have severe sleep apnea that affects concentration. And this puts you at risk of an injury, meaning no work and no pay. Sleep apnea is also linked to heart disease, depression, diabetes, and sexual and urinary problems, like getting up at night to urinate. All good enough reasons to think about losing a few kilos, which improves the condition. It is important to undergo testing and to obtain advice on the best treatment for you.